What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So we finished Obby, and we could get every path we want. It's gonna be sick, guys. So let's go. I really want the smoke path. I want to see what it looks. Oh, it looks so cool. But I want to go to so there's only 60 stages in this one. I want to go across this bird. I want to go, yeah, there's the Obby, my C. I could get speed 100. But I want to go, like, here. Because I want to, like, be everyone else that hasn't finished it. And, like, take my smoke path off. I really just want to land on this. Oh, I missed. Damn it. Guys, I missed. Alright. I really want the blue path, actually, now. Blue path. Yay. I love the color slate. I want to be speed 100, dude. Let go, dude. Oh my god. Yes! I look like a boss. Oh my god, guys. That was so stupid. Let's go, guys. Alright. I want to be level. I want to be speed. I want to be, like, pretty speedy, but not speedy at the same time. I want to be, okay. I want to be speed 25 right now. I want to be speed 100. No. Oh, ice path. Okay. What do we got, ice path? What is this, guys? Oh, okay. It's a green one. Grass path and fire path. Ooh. Ooh. That looks cool. Speed 25 is cool. Keep it under color. Lego. Alright, let's be a fire path and make my way over there. Let's get our grass path in here, see what's up. I like the ball paths better, actually. But if you actually bought these, you could cheat. I just noticed that. So don't like buy them and come to this hobby because I don't like people cheating, guys. If you cheat, and I don't like you, dude. Because I don't like cheaters. Cheaters are eaters. Wooden is yellow, if you didn't know that. But you can make, like, stacks with them. That's really cool. But now we're going to go get speed 50 because I like speeding. Yeah, let's go. Accept. Let's go. Alright, hat remover. Who texted? Hold on. Okay, yeah. Okay. I want my normal speed back. Speed 10 is so slow, guys. Look at speed 10. This is actually speed 10, guys. I'm not even kidding. Speed 1 is slow motion almost. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I don't like speed 1. I seriously do not like speed 1. Like, get me down to speed 5, please. I need my normal speed, dude. Oh, thank you, even going faster, dude. Alright, normal speed. Yeah, like, Lego, dude. Alright. Now let's go see what other people are doing. Through this way, I think. Let's go around this way and, like, go to the start. Let's go on the slingshot. I wonder what it is like being on the slingshot, guys. Oh my god, I really wonder what it is like. I really wanted to be on that slingshot, guys. Oh, you can't get on there? Oh, that's stupid. I can't even walk over there, guys. Okay, go, go, and drop. Yeah, I made it. Alright, let's go in first person, guys, and see what it's like. Oh my god, that's so cool. Alright, did we put anything on that? Like a helmet with that on. Welcome to the winners. Thank you, dude. I got the same hat as you. Yeah! So yeah, that was my video. I'm like, I don't really think it was cool, but I liked it because I finished the thing. And then I made a video like flying around showing you guys what's up here when you finished it. So yeah. My ball pass was red. Alright, so yeah. But trying not to show like speed things. No! What the hell? Normal speed. Yeah, I like normal speed. Come on. Yeah, that looks cool. Move everything off. I want this. I want that. And Lego. Alright. And we're gonna make our way around this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. If you like, please leave that damn like on the right now. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.